Hey, I'm Drew Thomas. You might be thinking, what's with the Barefoot worship leader thing? It's sort of simple. Here's what you should know about me. I love God. I love leading musical worship, but shoes, I'm not really a fan of. That's just the way I am. Let your toes fly free, am I right? Anyways, I wanted to say thanks for stopping by. I post videos 3 times a week on this channel. Every Tuesday, I'll post a video of me playing a worship song. It's pretty much going to be the exact way I would play it in my church on an acoustic guitar. And that's probably going to be different than the recorded version that you're used to, or maybe it's a song you've never heard. But if you like it, on Thursday, I'll post a tutorial of how I play it. My hope is that if you're maybe learning guitar, that's a way that you can help hone your craft and learn things a little bit quicker. Or, again, if you just like the song, then that'll help you learn it faster so that you can introduce it to your congregation and hopefully bless them. And then every Saturday I'll post a video that's some sort of something. I can't make any promises. Sometimes it's going to be me playing my guitar or doing a guitar-specific lesson. It might be as simple as how to play songs in a certain key, or we might talk about worship theology or theology in general. Anyways, I'm hoping that I'll get to know you better over time. If you'd like to get to know me, of course you can subscribe to the channel. You can also check me out on all the socials. I'd love to get to know you. Thanks for swinging by. We'll talk soon.